In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you an exercise called Tibialis anterior pumps. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be seated on a chair, and whatever side that you want to work, whether it's your left or right tibialis anterior, that leg is going to come forwards. So if I show you on my left side because it's closest to the camera, I'm going to bring my foot out really as far as I can until I start to feel that my toes want to come off the floor. So walk your foot out, and then when you feel like, yeah, if I go any further, my toes are going to come up, that's the position just before that point that you want to be in. I've got my foot facing completely forwards here, so it's not off to either side. And then from here, I'm going to lean back in my seated position, and I'm going to do ankle dorsiflexion, which is going to work my tibialis anterior. What does that mean? Well, I'm going to point up my ankle and bring it back down. Point it up and back down. And each time I do this is one repetition, and these are the ankle pumps. So working the front of my shin, and what I'm looking to do is repeat this for my desired amount of sets and repetitions, and then do exactly the same on the other side. That's how to do ankle pumps for your tibialis anterior.